Good morning. This is Casey morning, but let's leave her alone because she's in pain. Day 4. Yes, we're still alive. Casey's still alive. How you feeling? Now she's sick. How's your foot and your leg? Still hurts. Like I said yesterday, it's 4 miles to Hamburg, and then we actually have to sit there for at least 2 hours because I gotta charge my stupid power bank. And if it doesn't charge in 2 hours, then I'm gonna have to buy another one because of all this crap I'm charging. The plan is Hamburg, and then we'll find a camp spot after that. I'm not sure if we're going all the way to the next shelter because that's 13 or 14 from here. But I found out after Hamburg is the town of Duncannon, Pennsylvania. 74 miles or so. We'll make it there in about 5 days. Casey's in a lot of pain, so it's just slow going. We're still moving, just very slow. Hoagies, resupply, and continue to Georgia. It's been hours since I recorded last. We are now leaving Port Clinton, Pennsylvania. We resupplied at Hamburg. A gentleman by the name of Junker. George Harold?
I can't remember now.
John George?
I can't remember Junker now.
I can't remember his real name, but his trail name is Junker. And we were outside of the Wawa, and I was inside buying some food, and he came over to Casey and noticed that we were hikers, and he gave us a ride. And boy, did you need it. Her knee was really hurting. So he gave us a ride to the Walmart, and then he gave us a ride to Port Clinton so we could fill up our bags, and then he gave us a ride back to the train station so we could continue hiking. The only problem is we have no water till about 8.5 miles. We have to make it to the shelter because we're low on water. So let's see how this goes. And to top it all off, we just filled our bags with full food, and we have to go up. Let me tell you, the last 7.5 miles, give or take, maybe 6, I wasn't able to record because my camera died. Here's here's the fast story of what happened today. We got into Hamburg, got Wawa, and when we came out of Wawa, a gentleman by the name of Junker, that's his trail name, he offered to give us a ride to Walmart, resupply, and then give us a ride back to the trail. So with that being said, him offering us the ride, we were kind of on his time now. So I didn't have time to charge any of my things. So I won't be able to charge any of my things for the next 5 days till we get to Duncan. Hopefully I can use Casey's charger in the meantime. If that gentleman didn't help us out, we definitely wouldn't have made it to the shelter. I think we did a total of 15 miles, including the road walk to Hamburg. And to top it all off, Casey fell right on her face today. And her hand went all the way back. She landed on her hand, and all the body weight landed on her wrist. And she looked like she broke her wrist. And I picked her up, and thank God she didn't break her wrist. It's a little swollen right now, but it's not broken. She's falling apart. We both are. But, I mean, that's what happens when you go on a thru hike for 6 months. I'm not sure what tomorrow holds because it's supposed to thunderstorm. That's why we're in this shelter today. A good hiking day, but not a good day for vlogging. That's about it. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. What?
Stop.
What'd you say?
Thank you, Shelly, for my knee braces and my trekking poles. I'm dead without them.
That's it?
I have you.